Good morning, Heartchies! For today's video, we are going to unbox and use for the first time products from Vibrant Glamour. So this is my parcel from China. So, nahanap ko po ang Vibrant Glamour through online since I had problems with pimple breakout since December. So, naka-use na po ako, nag-try po ako ng different products and how to eliminate pimples and acne problems. Pero, hindi pa rin siya completely nawawala. So, we will be trying this product. So, I have read a lot of good reviews about Vibrant Glamour. Ayan. So, ito po siya. Let us check the products. So, hindi naman po lahat ng product na galing ng China is fake or class A. Kasi, karamihan sa atin, pag sinabing made in China, nagkakaroon tayo ng mentality na baka fake or class A or madaling masira o kaya sa beauty products, baka mangate yung skin natin or masira. So, we will never know if we will not try. So, we will open. Ito po, naka-wrap po siya. Bubble wrap. So, kakaiba po yung bubble wrap nila. So, it is very, very safe. Then, so, we will open. So, it's super sealed. Kaya, medyo mahirap i-open. Ayan. So, remove natin siya from the bubble wrap. So, since yung problem ko po is pimple breakouts, yan, madami po dito. Medyo nag-dry up lang po siya. Dahil gumamit din po ako ng facial wash na antibacterial and hypoallergenic as well. So, we have a sensitive skin, so kailangan natin umanap ng hypoallergenic. So, ito po yung in-order ko from Vibrant Glamour. It's the Herbal Acne Treatment Cream. Yan. So, to check po the legality or legit ba yung product is that sabi din po dun sa nabasa ko is that they have their QR code. Yan. So nakikita nyo po. And then, naka-wrap po siya. Napakaganda. Wala pong kahit na anong sira sa box niya or sa cellophane niya. Yan. Naka-wrap po yan ng cellophane. So, this Herbal Acne Treatment Cream has tea tree extract that removes acne. Yan. And then, the second one is yung Herbal Acne Serum. So, kapartner po siya nito. So, nabili ko po ito sa Shopee. And ito po, pag-add to cart ko po is ito po yung dalawa, naka-promo. So, ito po yung serum na we will try later. And then, the third one is itong retinol cream. So, nabasa ko po itong retinol cream that it is good for the skin, especially if you are also prone to acne. And it is also anti-aging. So, wrinkles, dark spots. So, maganda po yung retinol cream. And then, again, they have their QR code. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng wrapper niya. And then, the fourth one is the sunscreen cream. So, I am using po sunscreen, especially when I go out to buy basic needs and to run errands for my little business. So, maganda po yung sunscreen nila kasi may SPF 50+, UVA and UVB protection, plus antioxidants. And it is also has a color corrector na ingredient. So, why Vibrant Glamour? Kasi, nabasa ko po na these products are made from herbal extract. So, since before po, careful na po talaga ako sa paglalagay ng mga beauty products sa face ko. Hindi naman po ako masyadong nag-apply ng makeup, but masalan po ako when it comes to cleaning my face. So, I want something na may herbal ingredients. So, that's why I choose Vibrant Glamour. And then, thank you din po, seller. Kasi they gave me a free deep cleansing nose strip. So, I might try this tonight before I go to sleep. So, I have already washed my face. So, subukan na po natin itong Vibrant Glamour Herbal Treatment Acne Cream. So, sana join me in this journey on eliminating my pimples and pimple scars and marks. So, ayan. So, ito po siya. Ito po, yung product. So, napakaganda. So, we will be opening this. Yan. So, naka-sealed. So, ayan po siya. So, we will be using a little amount first. So, i-rub muna natin dito sa wrist natin. Tingnan natin kung mahapdi ba o hindi. So, napaka-smooth po ng cream niya. Yan. So, yung smell niya po is napaka-herby. So, since it came from plants. So, we will be applying this now. So, gentle lang po tayo sa skin natin. So, ample amount lang po yung ilagay natin. Yan. So, non-sticky po siya. So, napakaganda sa pakiramdam. Tsaka medyo malamig-lamig din. Ayan. So, lagyan natin dito. And, sa neck banda. So, ayan. Yung iba, naging scar na. So, importante din po na pag may pimple breakout tayo, hindi natin piniprick. So, let us just let it dry by using yung mga products na hiyang sa atin. Hiyang sa inyo. Yan. So, napaka-light po ng cream. Hindi po siya sticky. Yan. So, it says din po dun sa packaging niya is you have to store it in a dry, cool place. So, balik po natin siya sa box. Yan. So, next naman natin ilagay is yung herbal acne serum. So, partner po siya ng cream. So, before trying din po, pwede nyo po siyang i-try muna sa ear root ninyo. So, to test if hiyang po ba kayo, wala po ba kayong allergic reaction sa product. Yan. So, you will be open. Ayan. So, ito po yung serum nila. So, yung effects po niya nakalagay dito, selected acne clearing plant formula, crystal transparent and delicate texture, slightly film forming after smeared, moisturizing and comfortable, control oil and remove acne, repair and soothe tender facial skin, and improve acne skin. So, napakaganda po kasi isa din po siyang moisturizer at napaka-comfortable din sa skin. So, we will try. Ayan. So, may dropper po siya. So, i-patman po natin. So, i-target po natin yung areas na may pimples. Ayan. So, na-try na po natin yung ating serum at cream. So, we will be using this every day and I'll give you updates on the effects of these beauty products. So, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga products, especially to cure or treat their acne, I will put in the description below yung link kung saan ko po nabili yung mga products na to. So, I will try this retinol cream tonight and the sunscreen cream later. So, thank you po for watching my videos. Comment down below and don't forget to click like and subscribe. So, thank you, Archies. Have a nice day. Live, laugh, and